What is Scrum? Scrum is a way for teams to work together to develop a product. Product development using Scrum occurs in small pieces, with each piece building upon previously created pieces. Building products one small piece at a time encourages creativity and enables teams to respond to feedback and change, to build exactly and only what is needed. More specifically, Scrum is a simple framework for effective team collaboration on complex projects. Scrum provides a small set of rules that create just enough structure for teams to be able to focus their innovation on solving what might otherwise be an insurmountable challenge. However, Scrum is much more than a simple framework. Scrum supports our need to be a human at work, to belong, to learn, to do, to create and be creative, to grow, to improve, and to interact with other people. In other words, Scrum leverages the innate traits and characteristics in people to allow them to do great things together. There are three primary roles in the Scrum team. First one is the product owner. He comes with a product or a service. To complete his product, he needs a team, a very dedicated team, something very similar to high-performance team. He sets directions of the product, makes sure the right features make into the product backlog representing the users and customers of the product. Next to him is the Scrum Master. This is a person who ensures that both the team and the product owner focuses on following the Scrum. He makes sure the project is progressing smoothly, makes sure that every member of the team has the tools they need to get their job done, and set up meetings. The rest of the team members are the developer and tester. They build the product and test it, and in the end customer use it and hopefully pay for it. First of all, this process of Scrum method starts with the product owner having a vision, and once he has that vision, you have a product backlog. So he creates a feature list, and it's prioritize these features list and explains it to the team, which is the sprint planning meeting 1, and clarifies everything, and they do that twice to ensure that everything is clear. And after that, they create a task list, and this task list is what is used for the team during the sprint, which is the next phase. Each team member has a task. They have this limited time space, which is called sprint, and between 1 to 4 weeks, and every single day the team gets together and say what they have done so far, what they plan on doing that day, and what they plan on what might block them from finishing the task that day. And this happens every day until all these sprints are finished, and once the sprints are finished, you hopefully have a MVP and this new functionality demonstrated. And if it's once demonstrated, the team has a small reflection to see what went well and what didn't, or could be improved. And if the MVP is not good enough, the whole process starts again, and this is the inspection phase. Application for innovation teams. This process has lots of applications, especially for innovation teams. On innovation team on Olympic Games in Sochi 2014, find the Scrum handy because of its efficiency, as everyone was very task oriented, so they focus on what they have to do today, and this is their task for today. And because they are so task oriented, they are very much dedicated, meaning that they will do hopefully everything in their power to get that task done in the sprint time. Therefore, because each person is dedicated to a specific task and different sprints, you have very multi-skilled team members, which is good for the team but also good for themselves. I could have these benefits of the Scrum method would have come in handy for my last project. I believe that the daily Scrum meetings would have definitely come in handy to keep everyone on track what they are doing and keep the communication open, so it's very transparent and everyone knows what everyone else is doing, and I believe I should have applied this method into my last project.